Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn off Discover on Snapchat. If you're using Snapchat and now you want to turn off Discover, so let's see how can you do this. First of all, open your Snapchat app and here just tap on people or stories icon, and here you won't have any built-in feature to turn off Discover, but you can hide specific content. So let's see how. Just keep a long press on the video which contact you want to hide, and I'm going to select in this one. Just keep a long press on it, then select hide the name of the username, which is tap on the hide option, and it will hide the contact from that person. After that, just refresh and the content will be removed. So that's how you can easily hide the specific content from Snapchat. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.